So it's funny, I have a lot of our customers ask us what we're currently seeing or what the current trends are, the way the market's kind of moving. It's actually been a lot of fun the last couple of years because we're starting to see a lot of different looks. So we're really starting to see people move into bolder colors. They're getting away from kind of the taupes and the light grays and things like that. And we're actually seeing some really good, some really nice bold colors, some bold blues, some greens. You're getting a lot of accents where people are now doing some wood grain or wood tone accents. So we're really seeing this shift in design from kind of your plain cookie cutter homes that you used to always see. The other things that we're seeing that are really kind of cool from an exteriors perspective is we're seeing the use of multiple products on the same home. So what you'll see is you'll have lap siding with a shingle accent. You'll have a board-and-batten, which is that vertical up and down siding, and that'll be with a wood grain, a wood tone type product or something else. So we're really seeing this mix of mixtures. And I think the more the homeowners can kind of get out of their comfort zone. And what's really cool these days too is with all the technology we've got, I think a lot of times people just don't realize what they can do to their home. So I think what we're seeing is people being more open. During COVID or during the HGTV boom the last bunch of years, people are really seeing what design can do to kind of get them excited around their homes. The other cool thing that we're kind of seeing now is you would have heard it before, you would have heard the phrase curb appeal. So that was kind of when you're driving around and you see the fronts of homes. Well, what's really happening, especially with COVID, is people are spending a lot more time around their house. They're spending a lot more time in their backyard. They're spending a lot more time in the general vicinity. So we're not just seeing that front side architecture anymore. We're actually seeing where people are really decorating and doing up the backs of their homes too, because that's where they actually spend more of their time. So it's really a reflection of themselves. So we're really seeing these design trends in multiple products. We're seeing bolder colors. We're seeing contrasting colors. We're seeing a lot more where the windows and the siding kind of complement one another versus the old boring white windows. So again, when you're jumping on the internet and you're looking around, if there's certain things that you like or pop to your eye, I always tell my clients and my customers, hey, collect a bunch of photos, go around the neighborhood, take pictures of things you like. And then what we can actually do is we can take technology nowadays and we can put that on your house to give you kind of a look and understanding of what your home would look like. So it's great. We're seeing, bolder colors. We're seeing a lot more accent pieces, and we're seeing really multiple profiles on a home. The other thing is, we get a lot of questions, people telling me, my brick or my roof, unfortunately, is making me choose certain colors. And again, I think with technology, we can really see what the colors are gonna look like with your existing, but we're seeing a big trend where brick's being painted, brick's being stained. So again, you're not really limited to what your house is, you're really just limited to what you're willing to do with your home these days.